All new tonight, the sound of traffic can be deafening, but can you imagine hearing it from inside your house around the clock?
That is exactly the reality for one Jacksonville Beach neighborhood just off JTB. J. Turner Butler, of course. As our Juliet Dreyer reports, neighbors are now banding together to call for help from the state of Florida.
Even on a holiday, this on-ramp to JTB from Jacksonville Beach is still packed with cars, very, very noisy. And neighbors who live just on the other side of this foliage say that noise is bleeding into their neighborhood, disrupting their quality of life.
You couldn't see any of that, and you couldn't see through here at all either.
From the backyard of her lake sanctuary home, Bonnie Eggers shows how the foliage behind her home has thinned, exposing her home to Butler Boulevard.
That's just a single layer of bamboo right there, whereas we used to have like 5 foot of bamboo.
The problem, Eggers says this didn't happen naturally. Rather, after Hurricane Matthew, crews cleared out the foliage while clearing a drainage ditch just on the other side of her fence. Now that the trees are gone, so is her natural sound buffer.
It's right where people get back onto JTB. So they're speeding up to get on to JTB, so that it's really loud right here.
Eggers isn't the only one. Her next door neighbor started this petition, calling on the state to address the noise level issue. The goal, get FDOT to build a wall along the highway. The petition says, quote, the noise level has become unbearable and has significantly reduced our quality of life, end quote. Eggers says it's turned her backyard paradise.
We never came out here until we got a pool, and you kind of just, well, you can hear it.
Into a noisy oasis. Just how loud is it? According to the CDC, prolonged exposure to sound above 85 decibels may begin to damage hearing. Out on JTB, traffic peaked between 85 and 90 decibels. In Eggers' backyard, the peaks were less defined, averaging just under 70 decibels. Eggers says it's an annoyance, but more than that, she worries the sound is decreasing the value of homes in the neighborhood and deterring people from buying in.
We get a lot of new young couples that have young kids, and once they realize, you know, the backyard's not really all that fun because of the noise, they move.
We reached out to FDOT for comment on this issue, but so far have not heard back. In Jacksonville Beach, Juliet Dreyer, First Coast News.